Oh, hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video. And this one today, I'm going to show you where the tools are in one of these Yaris hybrids to change a wheel if you have a puncture. First thing you need to do if you've had a puncture, find somewhere safe, off-road. So I've parked on this parking spot. I'm off the road, I'm safe. Here's the road. I'll do me. First thing you need to do, find the tools. Everything you need is in the back of the car. So in my case, I'll need to empty the boot. I'll chuck my mat down that I use when I'm doing things. Right, so we've parked the car somewhere safe. We've emptied the boot. Where do you find the tools? Well, the first one you're looking for is the jack. And the jack is hidden behind this cover. And it's just snapped in, that cover. It's very, very tight. This has never been out. Out it comes. And in there you will find your jack. So that's the first part of your puzzle. There's the jack. It's held in with a rubber band. So that's where you find the jack. This just clips in on 3 little tabs. When you put it back in, it just goes back in and just snap it in like that. So that's your jack sorted. Spare wheel, if you've got a spare wheel. Not all of them come with a spare wheel, some of them come with a tyre inflation kit. Spare wheel is a space saver and it hides under here. You should find your locking wheel nuts in here. I've got some rags in here to wipe my hands on afterwards. The rest of your tools are in this little bag, and that just lives to one side by the spare tyre. That's everything you need to change your wheel. When you come round to the car now and you want to change your wheel, we'll go to a front one. To identify where you need to put the jack, Toyota have very kindly put a little indentation on the sill moulding here. And that identifies where you put the jack. Under there is a point on the pinch weld where the jack goes, and it lines up with that. There's also another one of them here at the rear, and again it lines up with the pinch welds underneath the car, and it's exactly the same the other side. So that's where you find your tools, where you find the jacking points on one of these Yarises. Thanks once again for watching a tips and tricks video from North Wales Side by Side. If you like these type of videos, click like down below. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.